Hey guys, it's Ada and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do something different from the travel vlogs that I've been doing from the start. So this is me sharing some products that I've come across this month, and they have been a game changer in my life, and these are the products that every girl needs, and they are super handy, and let me share them with you. Okay, so the first product is a set of products. It's basically from the Hyphen range. And the first one is All I Need Sunscreen. The second one is Vitamin Infused Peptide Lip Balm, which is vanilla. And the second one is Hyphen Barrier Care Cream. Now the thing is, it's so difficult for me to rely on any product for my skincare, and I like to keep it as minimalistic as possible. So this has been absolutely love. First I tried the All I Need Sunscreen, and when I applied it, I felt that okay, no, I need a moisturizer under the sunscreen. So I couldn't find any good moisturizer, so I opted for the Barrier Care Cream. And when I first used it, it gave me a few pimples, but maybe that's because it was adjusting to my skin. But now it's just heaven for my skin, and it suits me so well. And the sunscreen is love. I'm genuinely excited for this product because it's one of my favorites. And it is the Plush pads, and this is like a whole set of pads, and it has large pads and extra large pads with 4 panty liners. Now let me show you how it is. It comes in pouches like this. Now let me open it and show you guys. Okay, so you open it basically, and there's another pouch in there. So basically, if you're out, if you're traveling and you don't know where to dispose your pads, because trust me, that is a problem that I come across, just fold up your dirty pad and put it in this, and oh my god, this is so life-changing. Moreover, this is biodegradable. These pads are biodegradable. Moreover, these are so soft and so thin. Especially for me, these pads have absorbed so well. And trust me, I'm a girl with heavy flow, and this has been very life-changing, game-changing, everything changing for me. And this just makes my periods feel a little bit better, because even though there's cramps and everything, but still at least I've got this. This is super amazing. And one thing that I don't like about it is I've searched a lot and they don't come in XXL size, because while I'm sleeping I prefer XXL, but they don't have XXL, or maybe I might be wrong. But definitely would love it if this would come in XXL too. Hopefully they're going to release it soon. It's time for the next product, which is the Manish Malhotra lipstick, and especially this shade is my favorite. It's Barely Nude. And basically I love my makeup to be completely natural and as little as possible, so I prefer lipstick shades which are completely natural. And let me just swatch it for you. This lipstick shade is so pretty, and it just gives a subtle color to your lip while making it look completely natural. And another thing with every Manish Malhotra lipstick is that they are so pigmented and moisturizing that they just glide onto your lips. It's so beautiful. I love this so much. So the next are these 4 things. Okay, these are 4 set of perfumes. Okay, they're from the brand called Bella Vita. This one is called Glam, this one is Date, this one is Rose, and this one is Senorita. And not only these, like I usually wear these to school and everything, but especially for Bella Vita brand, one thing that I love about them is that they are super affordable. Okay, definitely they come in these 4 sets, and they have 4 perfumes, and my favorite is these ones. And oh my god, let me tell you that the fact that they're super affordable and the scent is so good, the fragrance is so good, makes me amazed. Okay, and let me just tell you, my favorite is this one, Date. Clearly you can see I've used up half of this. Actually, I've emptied it. These scents are super girly and super mild, and oh my god, like, you know, sometimes when somebody just walks into a room and you're like, ugh, perfume, so much perfume. Whenever I apply this, it just feels so fresh, and it's not like too much of that scent, and like, you know what I'm talking about, right? So this is completely different. It's just so subtle and so if you know what I mean. Okay, there are two products that I'm gonna group together because both of them are Maybelline New York products. This is the Blushed Nudes palette, and this is the Lifter Gloss Maybelline New York. It has hyaluronic acid, and trust me, like I already said, natural makeup is my thing. And you can see the shades in this. These are super natural, and like mostly they're like grayish, brownish, natural pinkish, natural goldish shades. This is my favorite, definitely. This is the Lifter Gloss. One thing, this tip, the applicator is so thick, that is so good, and the gloss is just beauty. One thing is that when I first applied it, I tasted it because obviously it's on the lips, right? You can't help it. So it tastes sweet. I'm not a fan of its taste, but I mean, I love how it's so natural. The color is so natural, and it has tiny bits of glitter inside it, which again, it's so good. I take a lot of stress and anxiety, and one thing that has helped me through this is Organic India's Tulsi Peppermint Refresh. So this is basically organic herbal tea which has tulsi and peppermint. Oh my god, I am so grateful that Organic India made these, because stress reliever, check, and anxiety calmer, check, yummy in taste, check, bitter, not at all. And even if you don't like herbal tea, this is definitely one thing that you have to try, because the taste is, you know, it tastes like flavored water, and it's so good. Nothing bitter about it, nothing that makes you go ooh like that. But this is so good, and especially when you drink it, it's like you're gonna drink it and you're like, okay, the water is warm because obviously tea equals to hot, but then the coldness of the peppermint kicks in right over here. It's so good. Definitely recommended if you take a lot of stress. Okay, when I went to Suho's concert, my aunt took me shopping, and I went to Miniso, and I found this from their Barbie collection. Okay, for the people who don't know, मेरा घर का नाम Barbie है, तो everybody at my house calls me Barbie. So when I found this hat with my name on it, Barbie, I had to buy it because like, come on, like, oh my god, this is so adorable. Last but certainly not the least is the Faces Canada's makeup setting spray. Again, I bought this while going to Suho's concert. Okay, so I bought this beforehand because I knew that if I'm going to a concert, I'm gonna stand there for hours in the hot sun, or even if it's at night, which was basically Suho's concert, it's gonna be really humid, and in humidity the sunscreen moves a lot, and especially if you're applying eyeshadow or eyeliner or mascara, it's gonna move a lot. Okay, and it's gonna look not socially presentable. Like, I'm pretty sure nobody would like to have messed up mascara or messed up sunscreen or messed up eyeliner when they're out. The reason why I bought this, because this was the only one available, but trust me, I am glad this was the only one available, because this is so good. When I applied it, my sunscreen, my eyeliner, my makeup didn't move one bit. The size is super travel friendly, and moreover, this dries up pretty quickly. So yeah. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!